Hi there, I'm Adriene with Premier Trailer Leasing. Maintenance Minute starts now. Proper maintenance is crucial for the lighting and electrical systems of your trailer. In this Maintenance Minute, we'll highlight the how-tos of addressing non-functional lights, faulty wiring connections, and electrical system failures. Regular maintenance ensures your lights stay functional and reliable. Inspecting and cleaning light fixtures, replacing non-functioning bulbs or LED lights, and checking for proper wiring connections are important steps to keep your lighting system in optimal condition. Keep the light lenses clean and free from dirt, debris, or road grime. Dirty or foggy lenses can reduce the effectiveness of lights. Promptly replace any burnt-out bulbs or LED lights with the appropriate replacements. Regularly test all lights on the trailer to ensure they are functioning correctly. Have someone assist you in checking brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights while you operate the vehicle. Check that all lights are securely mounted to the trailer. Loose or improperly secured lights can be a safety hazard and may also lead to premature damage. Don't overlook the importance of regular maintenance on your trailer's lighting and electrical systems. And if you're working with Premier, know we check them every time. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.